Growing up, pasteles de Guayaba y Queso were a staple on my grandparents' breakfast table. And although you can find them in every bakery in South Florida, I'm going to show you how simple they are to make at home. My name is Dennis, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my family's classic Cuban recipes, pasteles de Guayaba y Queso. The first thing we need are puff pastry sheets. Remove from the freezer, and after a minute or so, cut them in half. Then we need to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. For the guava, you want to use guava paste, not guava jelly. Usually it comes in blocks like this, but they can come in cans in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Since we are making 6 pasteles, we will need 6 pieces of guava. Cut into 1/4-inch slices and set aside. Then line a baking sheet with parchment paper and place 6 of the pastry rectangles evenly spread out. If your baking sheet is too small, you may need to do another batch. Place 1 guava slice into the center of each rectangle. Next, we need the queso, for which we will be using cream cheese. Making sure the cream cheese is cold, cut 1-ounce slices and place atop the guava. Don't worry about spreading it out, as it will melt when we bake it. Place the remaining 6 pastry dough pieces atop the cream cheese. If the dough is still stiff, let it warm up so that it becomes pliable. Lightly press along the outside of the dough pastries to create a good seam. Then, using a sharp knife, cut 1 to 2 slits into the top of each pastel to prevent them from bursting. Next, we need an egg wash. Separate 1 egg yolk into a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of cold water and mix. Coat every corner of the pastel with the egg wash. This is going to give them that rich golden color and great crisp when they bake. Then place into the middle rack of the oven to bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. Once done, remove from the oven and let cool while enjoying the mouth-watering aroma. Now let these cool for at least 15 minutes. Now, even though these look and smell delicious, you gotta trust me and let them cool. They are hotter than the surface of the sun and will burn you beyond belief. Don't ask me how I know that. And that's it. Once they're cool, you can enjoy them with café con leche for a classic Cuban breakfast that you're sure to enjoy. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in the next one.